One Yabeka radio personality and a media personality I want so won't throw nipe ni masem kan Black Rasta. Black Rasta Eden Sembi Ababeto Abontain. Now what I'll do is I'll just tell you what Black Rasta said. And then I'll read in some what kind of radio so at Tremo. If and then your first time or have subscribe and click the notification bell on the show. We understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. Black Rasta we juma was Xylophone FM. And then some Babonton say Honorable Kennedy Japan Sebin Prediasan we greedy and selfish. In a sense, Kennedy Japan you be a washe na contract be a no Kennedy Japan ne pet young fan man near the combo be pet no na TV and a radio so not just say washishe juma to nipakone so can sema nim no they are to nipakone so. Let's go and read Black Rasta's statement. Now, asem we ni na no what kind the taxi driver show. I will know Black Rasta no we your host. It was Xylophone FM. Now, the report I'm reading for you right now is a report from mynewsgh.com. Me know bia metie Xylophone FM. And because of copyright and sensitivity, I can't even play the audio for you guys unless I get the authorization from Xylophone FM. What I'll do is I'll just encourage you guys to go on Facebook and search for Xylophone FM. Me assure say Black Rasta show no normal your live stream. Ubenya link no. But the best I can do is me read it in sema wakan ye no. Matro ato ho into me read it quotation into sema if you no Black Rasta nangasa ne num to. What say Kennedy Japan prides himself in the fact that he's an MP who cares about his people. What say Kennedy Japan you be a senior go peja ne ho ewo amanse ye nim ne say we ye MP a wakasa ema Ghana fo and you attest to the fact say Ghana fo be brande who see dwom na obisa Ghana fo say wo Kennedy Japan. I'll tell you a lot of people will tell you say they like Kennedy Japan because he cares about people. So Black Rasta say he prides himself in that fact. Okay, what's it? He prides himself in the fact that he will speak the truth at the peril of his life. Not just say, "One no Kennedy Japan, one magana fati asiye." Say, "One no would the etio anase kind etrende so say wo pese wo ku ne kra na wo beka ne kre." Say, "Wo ka ne kre no obewu a wo beka." Eye nsema eye Kennedy Japan, wo kan da wo so wo no de wo beka ne kre even if he has to die for the truth. Now, Black Rasta also the chair so say, "I admire Kennedy Japan a lot. But sometimes there are the rough edges that requires smoothing." Now, if Uyobia will follow my channel now, I also tell you this. A lot of people come at me, catch me say, "Me Uyobia, me time Kennedy Japan, me time Kennedy Japan." And I tell you guys that Dabi, Kennedy Japan Uyobia may admire a lot. But just like any other human being, me feel say some of the things he does, and you're way overboard. And Uyobia Sebin Prediasan. What na say na wo hwe de ekwa wo be hu ne se sa asem na eye ne kre. Se wo kan wo be mfum so a ene ntre se wo tan nipa ko no. That even shows say wo do no. But wo be eye bone na wo nka wo se me penase no, you don't like the person. It's a Black Rasta say wo yo bi a wo pe Kennedy Japan asem pa. But nipa bia e wo ne nenso. Into wo no de Ope Kennedy Japan aseminti no wo beka Kennedy Japan nenso no na tre say Kennedy Japan Sebin Prediasan with smoothie that rough edges. Yanchi as was say Kennedy Japan has sometimes spoken against his own party, with the latest being his criticism of the president being a tree without roots. Mokaya Kennedy Japan got na too. And our car say Sisia Ekufuado wakoye say edie bia enintini. In the sense in Crawford Felino in the fight against Galamsey. Into Black Rasta excited that example. Black Rasta answer the can say, "What I have observed is that it looks like Kennedy Japan is a man who wants to eat alone. It looks like Kennedy Japan is a man who is greedy and selfish." Well, no Black Rasta ne say, "What na say when say Kennedy Japan you be a wo person won nkwa na edidi. O you be a we greedy and selfish." Well, see, Kennedy Japan has said time and again how his party gives contracts to people more than he himself. And indeed, yesterday I reported on an issue, Ghana card and same Kennedy Japan Kraba Bontimbeka said, Wanukra say Wakochisa contract in Yamfam Mano. Kennedy Japan Babonte, he says a lot of those things. Contracts be a young farmer no now Wababontia Beka. Now, was he has said it severally how he could have been a minister of state, but he decided to choose somebody, a minister in his place, so he Kennedy Japan can be a free business person. The Black Rasta Air can and say Kennedy Japan akada say wono Kennedy Japan no easily na ko betumi abeda ne minister, but one penny and I wono aseleti will be say nipa ko ne be minister. Na obi be bisa say hwan na Kennedy Japan select ye. Nipa kra Kennedy Japan select ye no the road minister. Aye ni aye nim say Kennedy Japan just na down for pan honorable honorable Esiama o say Kennedy Japan na down for pan inti die Black Rasta Air Canon no say sa road minister no na Kennedy Japan na ke be ne sa now so Kennedy Japan so one of the person business person inti was selected will be say yen fa ministerial position no emma sa nipa kro no. But see, at a point it was believed that Kennedy Japan bankrolled the MPP. He believed that as a former bankroller of the party, once the MPP is in power, he should have the majority of the contracts. Now, the Black Rasta Air can say Kennedy Japan you be a MPP ye can MPP omo de sika ehye MPP mo a wono Kennedy Japan no work ho bi. And Kennedy Japan has said it countless times. Say wo de sika hye MPP mu ati ase. Iti the Black Rasta can say akoya say and the MPP e win power ni nti no. Kennedy Japan who say major contracts bia e was say ye demand because he was a bankroller a year for the MPP. Now was see the latest is questioning when Ekowusi joined the MPP. Every now and then, he complains of not getting contracts. Anytime he speaks, I see to nothing but greed and selfishness. Black Rasta says, Sisia se Kennedy Japan ekasa. Well, no Black Rasta no. He sees nothing than greed and selfishness. Just a presemin kuminya. Well, no Kennedy Japan yanka bibia bane ho. It is hiding behind the face of maybe a mechanic, maybe a Ghana ni mekasama I'm the voice for the voiceless. Nini na ayo for no ni own good. Now what we are not and two Kennedy Japan for. Say the recent conduct our social media and in the media space no. It is actually consuming his greed and selfishness is consuming him. And it is becoming glaring. Sisi Ghana for who say Kennedy Japan sebe inyama bi wo ho aboya enye inyama bi wo ho aboya enye den enye. Me pesa bo tram adwen e wo comment box ni mu. Wei eye nsem a Black Rasta wo de aba abonten e de abetudwa. I just don't want to speak on this. Me pesa me tram adwen bebre e wo asem we so. But the Black Rasta Canina, their comments have actually said, okay, inti mempese mekasa a lot on things like this. But Ms. Remo, the advice I'll give to most of you, because I realize any story on Kennedy Japan, they don't want to think through. And I don't know why they do things like that. But still, the meme can and say, I have said this countless times. I have said it countless times. The way we hold people accountable, no, it should be universal. I don't want to explain, but I am very sorry. But the way we hold people accountable in this country, it should be universal. We've made some people very, very powerful. We've made some people extremely powerful. To the extent say, when we feel say the BABC I was say you call radio and TV so ni you can say a good microphone. How many times ɛna ya report nsɛm a Kennedy Japan de abeto dwa later ye be find out say nsɛm a Kennedy Japan be kan no say na enye nekre but you see na nka Sami Gyamfi ɛna nka wɔkɔ kan nsɛm bi na later ye be hu say enye nekre a say na ye be drag no wo social media no but you see me de bia me kan Ghana ha nkofo bi wo hɔ a ye mbo wo mo asɛm so wo mo ye bone kan na nkofo mpɛsɛ wo bɛka now so other people ya boni a na nkrofo yi atwomo university other people ne so I don't want to talk much. Mon share my comment box ni mo. But that's it.